Discover the incredible defensive skills of some of nature's coolest animals live at Nature's Ninjas, the Springs Preserve's newest traveling exhibit. From hedgehogs to scorpions and tarantulas to poison dart frogs, you'll experience incredible hands-on interaction with some of nature's most misunderstood animals and uncover how these amazing creatures defend themselves against predators. And the fun of the exhibit continues with a live animal show, Nature's Ninjas Live, held daily inside the Big Springs Theater. You'll learn from the animals' zookeepers how these ninjas of the natural world use their special skill sets to hunt for prey and protect themselves in the wild, and witness many of these adaptations for yourself. The exhibit and show are free for members or with general admission. It's your coolest ticket to escape the heat.